Trip. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share to you how I clean my makeup brushes. Yes, we have to clean our makeup brushes often to avoid having skin problems like pimples, blemishes, because bacteria lives in these brushes, and that's why we have to clean them as often as we can, or at least every time you finish using it or you're done using it, you have to wash and clean it. Now I'm going to share to you an easy technique on how I clean my makeup brush. But before we head on to that video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. So come on, let's jump to the video. Okay, so we will be cleaning all these brushes, and what we'll be using to clean them is a clear tub like this. You can use any empty container for the brushes, so we'll just put that there. And then we also need any dishwashing soap or liquid, and it's better if you're gonna use the antibacterial one, so you can kill all the bacteria. So what we're going to do is that we're gonna put water. We'll wet all the brushes first, like this. We'll soak it in water, and then when it's all wet, we'll just put some dishwashing soap to clean the brushes, like that. And then we'll scrub it one by one. You can use your hands. Scrub it to loosen up the makeup in the brushes. There. You can also put some dishwashing soap on your hand, like that, and scrub your brush like this. See? The makeup is easily melting on your hand. Dirty. That's how much makeup this dishwashing soap can take away from your brush. So scrub that. See? So dirty. Be gentle on your brushes, guys, because we don't want to damage it when you're washing. So just be gentle. Just keep on brushing your hands with your makeup brush. See? Makeup is made of oil, and dishwashing liquid is made to remove grease from plates and dishes, so it's better to use it for cleaning your brushes. Now it's gone, and then you can soak it again in water. Here I have this bowlie. See? Soak it again. I'm gonna use this one, buffing brush. Look guys, it's melting easily. And see how easy it is to remove all the makeup from your brush. You should be cleaning your makeup often to make sure that you don't put germs or bacteria on your face when you do your makeup. So, you know, to prevent breakouts, pimples are the worst thing ever that you can have on your face. And then, after you're done scrubbing all the brushes, you can soak it for 5 to 10 minutes to remove any remaining makeup in the brushes, like that. So just leave it. Alright, so after 15 minutes, you can now rinse your brushes. So we will be cleaning it one by one. First, you clean your container. Just make sure that there's no more soap in it. And then, wash the brushes one by one with running water, like this, piece by piece. There we go. Shake it and put it in the container. Shake it. There we go. There it goes. And then, to fully dry the brushes, you can use a dry and clean towel, and you can just pat it like this to absorb any remaining water from your brush. Like that. Be gentle, guys. You don't want to damage the brushes here. And then, next one. See, it's absorbing the remaining water. Next. Next. So you can also squeeze it a little to squeeze out any remaining water, like this. Next one. There we go. And then just leave it to dry fully. Then you have fresh and clean makeup brushes. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you learned something from it, or if you have other ways of cleaning your makeup brushes, put your comments down below so I can learn something from you too. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click thumbs up and share it to your friends, because maybe they will learn something from this one. And of course, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. See you on the next video. Bye!